Let's talk about it. The 50-year mortgage. Okay? I know you've been hearing the president talk about this 50-year mortgage, and a lot of people are considering it right now with the prices of homes. So I remember when people used to think a 5-year loan term on a car, or even a 3-year, was a long time. But guess what? They're doing 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. I'm even hearing they're doing 10-year loans for auto. So, yeah, so looks like we may be looking at the 50-year mortgage ahead. So I just want to go over a few points with that. And why it's being discussed right now is because so many people want to get into a house, and the struggle is when you come up with the down payment, you're strapped, and you're being pressed and pushed to your limit with the debt to income ratio. So you really are, having no more breathing room. So hopefully, well, the hope I assume is to see if this 50-year mortgage could work. The only way to know it would work is if um, if people started to see if it could be a possibility for them. You definitely would have your lower payments, and obviously when your payments are lower, you're able to save more, invest, and put that money aside for emergencies, family, and whatnot. So now the only downsides could be is obviously if you're going to stay in the house 50 years, which no one stays in the house 50 years. So early on you're going to be paying obviously more toward your interest, and it could be for somebody, like I said, if you're not going to stay in the home, if you need that lower payment and you just want a chance at getting into a house. What's your take on it? I'm curious. I'm hearing both sides, and I do have a couple opinions on it. However, if homeownership is your goal, reach out. Let's have a conversation. Send me a DM. I would love to speak with you and have my loan officer run the numbers for you, and definitely see where you stand, because you could be closer than you think to homeownership. I look forward to hearing from you. My link is in my bio. You can call or text 480-251-3174. Pam Scott with My Home Group. Be blessed.